Are you worried about your erections but don't know where to start? The tools are created to guide men through a clear step-by-step first assessment, help identify vascular signs, emotional factors, stress impact, and early markers of venous leakage, for instance. You can understand in minutes what usually takes years. You will see which symptoms matter most. You will discover where your difficulties come from. You will get a first orientation that prepares you for a medical evaluation with medical tests. Once the results are ready, a full consultation transforms that information into a plan adapted to your health, your history, and your goals. This approach has already helped thousands of men. It brings clarity, it reduces anxiety, it accelerates recovery. When I started focusing my work on erectile disorders, many felt lost. Some had seen several professionals without understanding what was actually happening in their body. Others carried unnecessary fear because no one explained their situation in simple terms. I meet men with that same frustration every day. I saw how difficult it was for patients just to find structured answers. I built a method that changed everything. A process that helped men understand their condition faster and avoid months of confusion. Consultation became more efficient. Patients arrived prepared. They already had a precise idea of their symptoms, their stress level, their vascular risks, and the factors that influence their erections. This allowed us to reach a diagnosis in a fraction of the usual time. All the questionnaires and explanations are available on my website. Start with the first assessment. You will be guided step by step with clarity and with respect. Thank you for listening.